How to find alternating colors on Google Workspace sheets. Hey look, guys, if you want to find this option, first step, go to your application Google Workspace and go to your document, and click text, and click after click your text, click format, this option, and here you can find text and cell, so go to cell and scroll down, and here you can find options, so click, and here you can find your option, so you can edit here, or you can click remove. So don't forget like and subscribe. Bye.